Hey everyone, this is Fahd here. I just wanted to make a very quick video on this open interpreter style tools that I believe are going to be very powerful for developers. Um, if you don't know what it is, pause this video, go out, see it, and come back. So I've got my Visual Studio Code open here. I've got my GitHub Copilot chat up here and my terminal down here. I've got nothing in the current directory, as you can see. And I'm going to ask my Copilot, how can I create a simple Flask application? So it typically gives me instructions which are pretty good. I can follow these instructions. It's asking me to create this app.py file, and I can copy it and paste it into my file and actually go ahead and get started pretty quickly. However, what it doesn't do is execute on these instructions. So I'm going to open up my interpreter down here, and I'm going to ask it the same thing. So create a simple application for me in the current directory. Let's see. Now it is writing the code to create the file. However, I know that it's going to fail because of this single quotes issue. So I'm not going to execute on this. I'll just say use all right, so this one should work. And it has now created the Flask application for me. Excellent. And now it's going to say, yeah, if you don't have Flask installed, you install it and then run this python app.py. I'm going to take it one step further. I'm going to say modify it with a simple HTML template, or modify it to use a simple HTML template. So it knows what to do. It should go ahead and create that. So it's going to write the code to create the directory and write out the file for me. There we are. A simple HTML file. It's not really template. There are no variables in this template right now, but it can be templatized. And it's going to change this app.py file as well. So say yes, updated, and here we are. Render template home.html. So it can even go ahead and run this application for me, which I'm not going to do right now. But as you can see, this is an extremely powerful tool. I'm going to put the chat window here to the side, maybe move it split right, and put it here. So this chat, as you can see, is extremely powerful, gives me really good instructions, and I do think that perhaps in the near future, Microsoft or GitHub and Google with its Duet AI, they are most likely going to incorporate this kind of functionality into the code assistant chat features within the IDEs. But I believe this paradigm of being able to execute on your local machine is extremely powerful, and this is the future for how developers are going to work. So that's it. Thank you very much, and I shall sign off.